I guess we'll see this modern ceiling fan for review purposes. It's for indoors, outdoors, whatever we install it. So let's take everything out of the box. The first thing we see when we open the box is a usual guide. Okay, let's start to take everything out. Here we have the fan blades. Okay, one big download. Medium one. This is for the ceiling picture. All the nuts, bolts, screws you need. The LEDs, okay. In here we've got the controller, the receiver, okay. There's the main units. Canopy, base, some fixtures for the panel. Now that we have everything in here, we can go ahead and start assembling it and then install it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so you can see it's already installed. It's pretty big, so we can be useful on big spaces, big rooms. You can turn off and on the light to change the temperature. It's a nice function. And you have 6 different speeds, as you can see. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It has 6 different speeds. Right now it's the 6th one, and it's really, really powerful. I'm actually gonna turn it off a bit. It's really, really nice because you can set it up to 8 hours. So it turns off automatically, which is really, really nice. You can turn on and off the light, so it changes the temperature, which is also really, really nice, okay? So it's a great ceiling fan, perfect for big areas, big rooms, and I will really, really recommend it, okay? See ya!